welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie. Today's video is going to be a relaxing night routine. Definitely make sure you subscribe so that you come back and enjoy some of my content. As a little treat, I decided to pour myself a glass of wine to enjoy in my candlelit bubble bath. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do. While my bath was running, I decided to pop a face mask on. Tonight, I'm using charcoal face mask and it left my skin feeling really soft, and which was exactly what I needed. Back into my skin, then the finishing touch to my bath, I'm using vanilla bath bomb. After enjoying my relaxing bath, it's time to pop some fresh pajamas on. Is there any better feeling than putting on fresh pair of pajamas? And now it's time for body and skincare. I have already washed my face with my favorite rice water foaming cleanser. I'm starting my skincare with rice toner. Rice toner is rich in vitamin E. It nourishes and keeps my skin soft and even out dull skin. And now I'm going with this serum. This is the niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. It hydrates and strengthens my skin. It protects my skin from environmental damage. It enhances the moisture of my skin. Here I'm using another glow dip serum from Beauty of Chosen. It's for all skin type. It helps to reduce pigmentation. It's alcohol free, scent free. The texture is very lightweight. It makes the skin look nourished and feel smooth. I'm using snail mucin essence from Cosy. This product is amazing. I have been using this since 2 years now. It hydrates my skin like no other product. It gives amazing hydration and glow. Now I'm using the moisturizer from Minimalist. It deeply moisturizes my skin, treats dryness, roughness and flakiness. It's an everyday moisturizing cream. It contains marula oil, 5%, vitamin F and E. It's a heavy cream, suitable for dry, damage to normal skin. And now I'm using my favorite lotion from Bath & Body. It's with orange and ginger essence. It has shea butter plus vitamin E. It moisturizes my body and gives an amazing aroma.
We go to a party to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
And it's time to make some dinner. Sometimes I make dinner after my shower and skincare, sometimes before. It depends on how hungry I
We
am.
go to a party.
Tonight I'm making spaghetti with minced meat with some fried potatoes. It's a great combination.
This beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Didn't see that coming. Came just pictures and perfume are all that remain. I've been blindsided. I've been hurt and betrayed. Whole life's been turned around. My world's up in flames. He's loving you, I'm hating him. He's got my baby, he's got my friend. I didn't think you'd ever leave me, I never dreamed it would end. He's loving you, I'm hating you. Been out crying, walking in the rain, sinking in quicksand, calling out your name. Really took me by surprise, girl. I'll probably never be the same. I've got my memories, that's all that remains. He's loving you, I'm hating him. He's got my baby, he's got my friend. I didn't think you'd ever leave me, never dreamed it would end. He's loving you, I'm hating him. I guess I'm a fool, fool in his heart goes separate ways. Now counting minutes, every minute feels like a day since you went away. since you went away. He's loving you, and I'm hating him.
After my dinner, I put on the Netflix and watch some series and relax for the rest of the night. Right now I'm watching Hiramandi. It's one of the trending series of Bollywood. Now it's time to go to bed and it's my favorite time of the day. My bed is so cozy as comfortable. It is as cozy as relaxing as it looks. I will switch on my dreamy light to make my room feel more cozy.
We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.